Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your funny prank sounds app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down here, just keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here. So just reaching to open video, and here you're looking for a funny prank sounds app, or just click here on search, then here add funny prank sounds. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on first stop, then you click here on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, then come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.